Gusto mo magkaroon ng maliit na bewang, share ko sa inyo ilang exercises na pwede nyo gawin. Standing only, no equipment. First exercise natin ang ating knee tuck. I-vacuum or higupin ninyo ang inyong tiyan paloob. Exhale when you bring your knee in. Inhale when you bring your knee down. Gawin nyo to ng 15 repetitions bawat leg ng 3 beses. Next natin for our side waist, ang ating knee to elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gawin nyo to 15 repetitions bawat side ng 3 hanggang 4 na beses. And last exercise, ang ating knee to elbow plus toe reach. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Coach Elvie. I'll see you in my next one.